What's up, kings and queens? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl QueeNyobee back with another video, and today I am showing you this product that I purchased online. So I hate cleaning my makeup brushes, and I know you do too. That's why you're watching this video. So I did some research for the both of us, and I found this product. You can purchase this product on their direct website, or if you have Amazon Prime, purchase it on Amazon. I did through Amazon because I got free shipping. Now, this product came as a kit. It came with this tin can that I'm filling up with the product, and you just take your makeup brush and you ever so lightly put it towards the liquid. You do not directly put the brush into the liquid because the product literally runs up the bristles. Now, this is the satisfying part. I took a washcloth and a paper towel. I prefer the paper towel because you can literally see the makeup just come off the brush, and for me that is so satisfying. Like, before this, washing brushes was so messy and so tedious. It took so much time, and this was done in like minutes. I did speed up this video because it will be absolutely too long, but in real time I will slow this down just so y'all can see like the magic in motion. Like, I did not have to scrub really hard. I just gently did circular motions and back and forth motions, and it's completely clean. Like, I have not seen the white tips of this brush in years, okay? In years. I struggled with keeping my brushes clean because it was so messy and tedious, and I hate the cleanup afterwards. But now I'm cleaning my brushes every time I use them, y'all. Because one thing about this product that I did not mention yet, it's quick drying. It's instant drying. So you don't have to worry about, oh, I'm running late for this event, but I forgot to clean my brushes. Oh no, I have to clean my brushes and it's gonna give me acne. You don't have to worry about that anymore because this product is instantly dries. As you're rubbing all that gook and that gunk off your brushes, it's literally drying in the same process. Like, what? Do y'all see this? This brush I use for my foundation. It's an e.l.f. brush that I purchased a long time ago, and you see all this old caked up, that's probably like foundation from when I was using Fenty in this brush, if I'm being honest. Because y'all know, we both know, when we clean brushes with soap, it doesn't get everything out. Like, I forgot that this brush even had white tips. I thought it was all black, if I'm being honest with you. Now, if you don't want to use a lot of paper towel like I'm using, you can use the washcloth. My washcloths are all black and gray, so I wouldn't be able to see the makeup coming off. That's why I'm using the paper towel. And if you have to dip the brush back into the liquid, you can. But as you can see, the liquid does get a little murky if your brushes are really dirty, but that's fine. I'm going to end up refilling this can with more product because I had to use a lot on this brush. But you see it. Another brush that I use is a Real Techniques brush, and just a shameless plug in right now. Real Techniques, what's going on with these brushes? Because I have some brushes that I had since I was in college, and those bristles on those brushes are completely different from your brushes now. Like, why did y'all change the quality of the bristles? I'm upset. I bought this set around Christmas last year, I believe, or I think it hasn't been more than 2 years I bought these brushes, and I definitely tell the difference in the bristles from the original Real Technique brushes to these brushes. So I am a little upset. I don't know what's going on with y'all company, but y'all need to fix it. Anyways, back to this video and what the point is: cleaning the brushes. Look at my foundation brushes. Look at them. Can your soap do this? No, it can't. It cannot. And I'm not even at a sink, y'all. I'm at my dining room table doing this, okay? It took me 30 minutes to clean all my brushes. And I went out that night. It was date night. We was going to a comedy show, and I had 30 minutes to clean these brushes, and I was able to successfully clean all my brushes in 30 minutes and use them the same night. Your soap cannot. Your soap could never, okay? this is a brush that I use, another Real Techniques brush. This is used for my setting powders. As I'm showing you the full process. Like, I'm cleaning the handles off with this product. Ooh, that one needs to be replaced. But anyways, I've had these brushes for a long time, y'all. I do not spend a lot of money on brushes because it can get really expensive. But I do have a few, like that e.l.f. brush that probably needs to be replaced because it's dangerous at this point. But we'll get there eventually in life. But as I'm cleaning them, I'm showing you dry, completely dry, no residue. Now this next brush is from e.l.f. as well. I think I got this at the hair store one day. Look at all that. I use this brush in my Fenty contour powder, and it has like glitter and stuff. I could never get all that glitter out, but this product is making it so easy. So easy. And I just go back and forth, circular motions. I make sure to put the brush back in its original shape so it doesn't lose its shape. And look at that. Nothing is coming off because it's all gone. It's all melted away. And this product, if you're wondering, it smells so good. Now that was one of my worries. I was like, how can this product clean my brushes in minutes and be dry at the same time and not have like a funky smell? Because I'm very sensitive to smell, and y'all, it smells so good. And I will tell you, your brushes are gonna smell good as well, because even days later my brushes still smelled like the product and it still smelled really good. Also, this product did not like give me any breakouts, so that was another thing. I was like, I have sensitive skin as well, so I was worried that this product would create more problems with my skin, and it didn't. I didn't feel any itchiness, any swollenness didn't happen. Like, it's safe to use. And I'm showing you this brush is a brush that I use to do my eyebrows, and I did have to like really get into this one because that makeup was really caked up in that brush because it's so small. And look at that, all that concealer is just coming straight off of this brush. This product is amazing. This is not even a sponsored video, y'all. Let me put that in there. This disclaimer, like, I did not get sponsored by this company. I literally spent my money on this product because I've been so just stressed out about cleaning my brushes. If y'all been following me for a while, you know I posted a video a long time ago using an electrical brush cleaner, and even that wasn't really helpful because all my brushes couldn't fit into the applicators that come with it. And also I had to constantly change the water out, and it would leave my sink looking so disgusting. So I stopped using it. So now that I have this product, I am donating that to the thrift store because I don't need it no more. I don't require its service anymore. You have been replaced, okay? I am going back on Amazon and I'm buying a bigger bottle of this stuff because it has made my life so much easier. I also purchased another product that I'll do a review on, and I got that product from Ulta, but it's not for deep cleaning though, it's for like in between. But I will also post that video for you all because I am not gatekeeping. I am letting y'all know what is working, what is not working. I will also do a review on this soap bar that I also purchased from their company, but that will be another video. We have reached the end, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're going to purchase this product, leave a comment down below. Is this a game changer for you as well? Are you excited about using it and trying it out? And if you're not subscribed to this video and you're watching, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. And until next time, kings and queens, peace, love, and happiness. Love y'all. Smooches.